Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text to speech. So usually on TikTok, people use this voice a lot. So just type in whatever you want, add in your default text here, go to text to speech, and people usually use the Jessie one.
Default text.
Then you're going to select generate speech, and that's pretty much it. You can edit the text to whatever you want. Here, I'm just gonna type in literally whatever I want. Then text to speech and then press Jessie again.
Whatever you want.
Then you're just going to select generate speech. That was weird. Whatever you want. That is it. That's how you can get like the AI text to speech voice that you hear a lot on TikTok. To export it just like as an audio, you can select export and then turn off video and instead select audio. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.